I'm following it because there they are. I don't know it. I don't know where they're going, but I'm definitely going there because I saw a spin car being towed. Spin car, so let's go A. Be so better A B lab. Yes, siyago A, spin car. Spin car siyago A. Delay. Gili Suzuki. Oh, oh, gili BM. Bafana bak. Talna mele. Ari, sana. Gili BM fela mo ba. Awona. Ari ke phaga mo. Mona phagi. Ya kaku. Ba thibile gate.
Aku mau jalan sakit.
Jual.
Sakit.
Ere. Ya, rakiti bambana.
Kalian gue rakiti mama lucu. Kalian gue rakiti. Mana ada ya nak?
Shabu bafana ba kage. Ya ka chapini nale. Ya. Watho mange. Bubutse ka ke nyokorolo mogolo. Hey. Ke nyokorolo mogolo. Bo, Spider-Man. Ke nyokorolo mogolo ke. O re wa gala re shudi ba thakelo monyana sa. O ya ka mfana. O ya ka mfana. E wena mfana. E mona rata o chaba mo. That's a mokatsi wa dipopane Super Mario. Guys, we came to my house. We took the wheels on the BMW because we weren't spinning to continue. Wow, just what I saw. Come on. We came home. They only had one set of tires. They popped and they were like, guys, over. We have tires. BM. Guys, you know that my BM has BMW rims in the house. So these ones were just for fun. I can say, so no rata fun. It's fun. So Mukatse must just deliver. Where is he one chaisha? He must chela or not chaisha. We are having his jack and wheel spanner. He won't go anywhere. Yeah. My ABs would do anything for me. Anything I need. I N1 a lot. That's why I'm a street show guy too. I'm talking about street show as TAs. Yeah? Yeah, skataba wakhumana wa kupancha le kotsi. You see a kotsi? Guys, look at it BM for the sake of speed. I'm not fully chelo chela get. She is jagger. That's a lot of to carry Rodale. Mugato to Bangal. Oh, February, come Funya weekend. Come on. Hola. And the guy attack a sort of falling. Yeah, well. Okay, my teacher just called me and told me he's there by AB's and Sons. So I'm gonna go there and make him drive Tung Sahur because he's my guy and he helped me start this car. He helped me actually to make sure this car comes alive. All my cars, he came through for me. When I needed help, I called him, he came to my car. For me, that's loyalty for my G's. Let's do this. Majaji, I'm coming, boy. He doesn't know that I'm gonna give him the car. Let's do this.
Marita dia John.
I guess so. One new with synchro, one news, I never release a guy. But nothing will go one, but to let already. Oh, like it. Over no swai.
Yeah.
No swai.
Yeah, malum. Inyo.
Awa. Kini lo na lo hana ga mo di ring. Awe tola di khou. Are, abula majaji. Tu paga 3 diaga. Tu baca dengan 3. Well, don't lie. Whether you want to vice us. My judge. I choose already. Wow.
Right.
Where is the soil? I choose. I hold. Mbak Caci. Being chafaya ka gua maraga siya. Yo! Operation! But one more calling moment. Are we finished trip? Mugma Eman, apa waiting chirje mo butate ng 2 years lang. Mo na ma. Ilor labi. True. It's very much a jana. Hurry, go home. Go home. Isha ko di mo. Siapa cus? Give him my judge. Remember, these are the people who have been helping me. Majaji starts all my cars. Coolie. Go home now. Most of the video, guys. Now this guy should rest 1 hour. It's a good sign. It was busy, so I still wanted to be busy now. You can see already it's time for it to rest now. It's cooling down. It's taking me home. Enjoyed the ride. For my ABs. Now, going into the house. Going to rest now. To call it a day. Hello, Fanawaka. We're going inside the house. We're going to a restaurant. We enjoyed, we had fun. Then you guys, close the show. That is all we have for this episode of Castanets and Class. Have a nice, good, beautiful, good fellows. All the beautiful, good, signing out. Bye-bye.